Welcome to ChopChopChef. And ladies and gentlemen and girls and boys, you would not believe it. Russell is here again. And because you were so impressed last time when I invited this gentleman, a good friend of mine, right? And today he promised me, with this guy you never know, right? I mean, what's his mood swing? But he promised me he shows you today an other British homemade favorite dish. And that will be?
It'll be the Yorkshire pudding, affectionately known as toad in the hole, with a secret ingredient.
What is it? Toad in the hole.
Toad in the hole, and we will be adding a secret ingredient to our Yorkshire pudding, and at great expense to ChopChopChef. Yes, I have come back.
Okay, Russell, I believe to our, what is it? Toad in the hole.
Toad in the hole.
Toad in the hole. Sorry, I mean my pronunciation is maybe not as quite as fluent as yours, right? But I mean the most one important thing is a good pork sausage, right?
Yeah, good
so we have this
sausage.
one, good quality sausage, a little bit of fatty, right? And then a Yorkshire pudding we already put in the oven, right? Because it's baking. And this one, as we said before, it's already from the last session. So when you're going online, the recipe, everything is down there. But today, so we do the sausages, and then in the same pan we're doing a nice, very rich onion gravy, right?
Yes.
Yeah. We don't want to call it choux or demi-glace or some silly things. Gravy it is, right? Yeah. Alrighty. So let's be putting the sausages on, and then we see us there, right?
Okay. Sounds good to me.
Good.
All right. Look at that.
Okay. What are we doing next, chef?
Okay. Now we're going to add the sausage. As you can see, the Yorkshire pudding, completely different shape to the other one. Yet one there. One there.
Okay.
Yeah,
Maybe
one at the back here.
We will do, or?
No, let's go one at the back.
Okay.
It's a good meal for two, this, you know.
Okay. Did I do the pork sausages nice coloration, chef? Yeah, all good? You happy?
I'll tell you what.
Yeah, so like this? Good.
Fantastic. It's hard to find good help, but we found some today. Push that one in there.
Okay, yeah, alrighty. Okay, while my colleague Russell watching the Yorkshire pudding in the oven, right? Because, I mean, he's so busy. I will do a nice rich onion sauce for this dish. So we have obviously nice beautiful butter, yeah. While this butter is melting, as it says onion, obviously we want to have plenty onions, you know, we are not shy in that, right? Here we go, like that. Look at this, yeah, onion. At the same time, I prepared already nice chopped garlic, because I only can do this one so nicely. My chef, I don't know. Yeah, as he said, he maybe used the wrong knife, left-handed instead of right-handed. Yeah, but it's okay. You can see, I'm so proud of myself that I managed to get Russell speechless. Isn't that good? Oh, here he comes.
Excuse me 1 second. Just move to the right, please, there, if you can, chef. You hold your spatula. I just want to show them that when you're a brilliant chef, you can toss like
show off.
Okay.
Oh my God.
That's how you make a good onion sauce, and
is it?
You never stop learning.
Okay. Yeah. Thanks for letting me know. Yeah. Is the Yorkshire pudding good, chef, in the oven?
It's looking very, very good.
Yeah. This is very important, you know.
Yes. We're just waiting for a little bit of colour, and
okay.
Once we get the colour,
so on my side, obviously, I gave these onions a very light brown color, just slightly. I dusted with a little bit flour, and then I sort of deglaze it with a nice, good, rich beef stock, which I always have at home.
Excuse me, can I just check your beef stock?
Don't drink it.
It's not beer, I'm just checking.
Okay, so my onion's getting slightly color. Now I just dusted with a little bit flour. Okay, and now when you use your first lot of your beef stock, right? First of all, we need a whisk then, yeah. And I only put a little bit on first, yeah. So here we go. Let's put a little bit, deglaze it, right? And now start stirring bit by bit the onions into your liquid. You can see it's getting thicker already. Now we can put more beef stock on it. Stir it all nicely in. Now this one has to be nicely simmered for 15-20 minutes, and by then is our Yorkshire pudding, or what is that?
Toad in the hole.
Toad in the hole.
Toad in the hole.
Toad in the hole. Yeah, ready. Okay, I see you shortly. I season this one. Beautiful. All right. All right, here it comes, ladies and gentlemen. My friends Russell, Toad in the hole. Toad in the hole.
Look at that. Another masterpiece. Okay.
Oh yes, chef. I can sense that this looks good. Oh, beautiful. I help you a little bit.
Oh, good.
How about that?
Yeah.
Very good, very good.
Oh,
Toad in the hole.
The toad's escaping. We push that back in the hole.
That's it.
Here we go. Look at that. That's toad in the hole.
Oh wow.
So as we put the sausages in, the batter was just still a little bit soft. So you can see the batter has actually covered the sausages there, and the one we put at the back created a wave. So pretty good there. So what we're going to do now, we're going to just cut it in half.
And this is a typical sort of Sunday family dinner? Or?
Yeah, it's a filler. It's a filler during the week. So there we have the toad in the hole there with the that one there.
Oh, yeah, okay, very good.
And then good old mashed potato.
Oh yeah. Yeah, with the mashed potato, I always like to use Dutch potatoes, right? So they have a nice texture. They're not too watery, right? And a lot of people, when they're doing mashed potato, they use sort of a hand blender or a machine, but then it gets gluey, and this is not so nice. Good. But chef,
Okay.
I hope you're okay with my onion sauce.
Yes.
Yeah.
I tell you what, that's looking in a pretty good onion gravy, and
Hold on, did you say pretty good?
Yeah.
I'm already happy with that.
yeah, pretty
honestly.
good. And I'm going to let Ewald then put the onion gravy just over part of the toad in the hole and between the mash and the peas.
You want to try it first, chef?
I better had just to make sure it's not full of lumps.
Plenty of onions in here.
Oh, to die for. I love you.
Please. Don't secret. All right.
Put the sauce on there.
Alrighty, because the sauce on there. So that's what we do, right? Plenty of onion gravy. That's what it's all about.
Yeah, a little bit over this bit here.
I knew it. Toad in the hole.
Yeah, and there we are. We have a beautiful meal. And the recipe that we've shared here today is a beautiful dinner for 2 people. So one there and one there. And
Russell, I like that one. Let's dig into it.
Thank you.
Thank you very much for coming. I appreciate it.
No worries. Cheers.
Thank you for joining us.